Okay, so as we saw before, 12% off $1 was 12 cents off, because percent means out of 100, and 12% is simply 12 out of 100. So therefore we took 12 cents out of 100 cents. Alright? So all these proportions, these two ratios rather, would form a proportion. Alright? So we know that 12 over 100 would be 12 cents over 100 cents. So therefore we found that 12% off $1 is the same as 12 cents off. Alright? Now, here I have in my hand, I have $10. Okay? I have $10. So I have a $5 bill. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 $1 bills, and I have a quarter. I have another quarter, and I also have 5 dimes. Okay, so here I have $10, and I want to find out what 12% off $10 would be. Okay, so I can set a proportion up. 12 over 100 is equal to, don't know how much money I have, so I'll say X over 10. Okay, so yesterday we're using the same thing that we had, which is the part, percent over 100 is equal to the part over the whole. Okay, or you can read it all the way, part over whole equals percent over 100. Okay, or you can also read it as is over of is equal to is equal to percent over 100. Okay, so we have the is over the of is equal to the percent over the 100. So now we can find the cross product. Okay, and we're gonna get that 12 times 10 is equal to 100 times x. Okay, so that is 120 is equal to 100x, and we can divide by 100. Divide by 100 on both sides. Okay, and 100 into 100 goes one time, and if you do this problem on your calculator, you will find out that this becomes 1.2. 1.2 is equal to 1x, which is just the same as x. Okay, so in that case we can conclude that x is equal to 1.20. What does that mean? Alright, what does that mean? That means that we have 1.20 in terms of dollars. So 1.20 in terms of dollars is just the same as $1.20. Okay, so as we can see here, $1.20 would be the same as 12%, where the original cost is $10. Alright, so if I'm talking about the cost of something, 12% off $10 is $1.20 off. Okay, so that's my discount, $1.20 off, and we found that using a proportion. All right.